Well, this is my second review.
A review on how effective are project management methodologies. How effective are project management methodologies? In order to achieve goals and planned results within a defined schedule and a budget, a manager uses a project regardless of which field or which trade. There are assortment of methodologies to help managers at every stage of a project from the initiation to implementation to the closure. In this review, we will try to discuss the most commonly used project management methodologies. Methodology is a model which project managers employ for the design, planning, implementation, and achievement of their project objectives. There are different project management methodologies to benefit different projects. For example, there's a specific methodology which is NASA uses to build a space station, while the Navy employs a different methodology to build submarines. Hence, there are different project management methodologies that cater to the needs of different projects, spanned across different business domains. Traditionally, project management is a step by step approach through each of the project's 5 stages: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and completion. Each stage is broken down and begins only when the previous stage has been completed, though it is not uncommon for traditional projects to cycle back to a previous stage. This methodology is most common in construction projects where the work is very linear and rarely subject to significant changes. The critical path method, or CPM, associates each task with a time duration, then determines the resource necessary to carry out the project within that time. As one project management professional puts it, the critical path is simply all the tasks that determine the end date in your project schedule. If one of those tasks is late by 1 day, then your project end date will be extended by 1 day. In other words, the critical path method aligns all tasks to bring about the greatest possible time efficiency. Critical change management, or CCPM, is in contrast to the critical path method in the way that it focuses on resources rather than the time constraints. The critical change is essentially the sequence of tasks that the team members are able to efficiently handle. When a project has limited resources and its time schedules are less strict, CCPM is used to distribute work in a flexible, collaborative way. Event chain methodology, or ECM, is used for projects with tasks that initiate chains of events. Each task, upon completion, causes a new event in which a task must be worked on. Because these events can be either anticipated or unanticipated, risky or safe, they must be managed very carefully in order to achieve the desired results. ECM is very different from the traditional project management, where each stage of the project is predetermined and executed in a linear fashion. Um, well, that is my second review about the project management methodologies. Hope you like it and enjoy learning about something. How effective are project management methodologies?